Okay, we are here replacing a dishwasher, and we had the water shut off for the dishwasher. The handle broke off, so we're going to go ahead and replace this while we're here because we're going to want to go to a 3/8 out anyway. So we're going to put a new shut-off valve here. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn off the water to the whole unit. You don't want any water on in the unit because once you pull this line off, you're not going to be able to shut it off because you're taking the valve off. So once your water's off, you can disconnect. That was draining the water out of what was up in the faucet, so we're good. Now it's all out. And we're going to go ahead and remove the valve. To remove the valve, you may need 2 wrenches or a wrench and a pair of pliers to grab a hold of it. Alright, we got our old valve off and we'll be ready for the new one. Alright, the valve that we're going to be using is a 1/2 inch to a 3/8 inch. For the first side we're going to put on is the 1/2 inch side, and that's going to go on the second one that we just took off. Since we're going to reuse the nut side of the fitting that was on that old one, we won't need the compression ring or the nut, so we can hang on to those for some other time. We're going to be using a dishwasher connection on this side, so we won't need it either, but I'll leave it on there for the moment. When you go to put this end onto your line, you're going to use either Teflon tape or some thread paste. I prefer the thread paste, just it's a little bit easier. I always get the tape twisted and on there all weird, so I like the paste. So once you got it on the threads all the way around, we're going to crawl back under here and put it on. We're going to go ahead and just slide this over the line and start this nut onto the back. And do it by hand and just kind of snug it up on there, and then we'll have to get a hold of it with some pliers and a wrench and get it nice and tight. Alright, we've got the valve on there. can take the nut off of this side. I left it on there to protect the threads when we were screwing that one on, so it'll be ready for our dishwasher line.